Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Let's go to settings and now enter Face ID and passcode. Firstly, we have to set for what we are going to use our Face ID. Let's choose Unlock iPhone and let's scan our face. Okay, once our face is scanned, we have to set a password. And now we can use our face to unlock the phone. Let's go further. And let's change passcode. Now let's go to passcode options and choose between custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code and 4-digit numeric code. Now we can use it to unlock the phone. And let's use the last way to unlock the phone. Tap on passcode options and select 4-digit numeric code. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's all for all unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.